Every day, sunlight falls on rooftops around the world, yet something incredible happens that most people never see. A flat panel quietly turns sunlight into electricity without moving parts, fuel, or flames. But how can ordinary sunlight power your lights, charge your phone, or even run an entire house? The answer lies inside thousands of tiny cells working together. Let's discover exactly how a solar panel works. A solar panel looks like a simple flat panel, but inside it is a collection of many smaller units called solar cells. These solar cells are the parts that convert sunlight into electricity. Each solar cell is made mainly from a material called silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under the right conditions. This special property allows the solar cell to convert light energy into electrical energy. When sunlight reaches the surface of the solar panel, tiny particles of light called photons strike the silicon inside the solar cells. The energy from these photons is absorbed by the silicon. This energy causes some of the electrons inside the silicon atoms to become free. Normally, these electrons stay attached to their atoms, but after absorbing energy from sunlight, they break free and are able to move through the solar cell. The solar cell is specially designed with two different layers of silicon. One layer has extra electrons, while the other has fewer electrons. Together, these layers create an electric field inside the solar cell. This electric field pushes the free electrons in one direction. As the electrons move, they create an electric current. Metal contacts attached to the front and back of the solar cell collect this moving electric current. The electricity then flows out of the solar panel through electrical wires. However, the electricity produced by a solar panel is direct current, also called DC electricity. Most homes use alternating current, or AC electricity. Because of this, the electricity from the solar panel passes through a device called an inverter. The inverter converts DC electricity into AC electricity that can be used by household appliances. The electricity can now power lights, televisions, refrigerators, computers, and many other electrical devices. If the solar panel produces more electricity than is needed, the extra energy can be stored in batteries or sent to the electrical grid, depending on the system. This entire process continues as long as sunlight reaches the solar panel. So, the basic process is simple. That is how a solar panel works. It converts sunlight directly into electrical energy by using the movement of electrons inside specially designed silicon solar cells. Although it looks like a simple panel from the outside, millions of tiny electron movements inside each solar cell work together to produce usable electricity.